Hey guys, welcome to Steve Builds Models. I'm Steve, and today we're going to be having a look at the Airfix 1/72nd scale Arado AR196 A2 / A3. We'll go through the box, see what's in there, and then after that we'll do a build video. Let's have a look. Alright, so here we have the box, standard Airfix, red outline, some nice artwork. In this kit, we have two building options, as you can see on the side. Right here, we have the version for the Bismarck. So this would be the reconnaissance plane that would fly off capital ships, search out for convoys, other targets of note. Or we have the version that was from Crete. Again, instead of flying off a capital ship, it'd fly out of a seaplane base, armed with bombs, and used in more of an attack role. Box is a top opener. Instructions, and I already opened this, so it's not a full unboxing video. Let's see what's inside and how they compare. This has to be the smallest kit I've had to build of a World War II aircraft anyway. I kind of feel like the analogy would be, if you had to put together a hummingbird, this would be it. Just to show for scale. Cigarette lighter. It's nearly as big as a cigarette lighter. So even for a beginner, this shouldn't be too bad. It's a low part count. It has, let's have a look. 43 parts with a length of 15 centimeters and a width of 17.3 centimeters. So yeah, it's not a very big model kit at all. One thing I found with this kit, there's a lot of raised lines, so I've kind of gone ahead, sanded those off or scraped them off, and rescribed it. It does look a little better, I won't lie. This is also an older kit as well. I think these molds date back from like the 70s. So here we have part of the wings, one of the pontoons, ailerons, seats, bombs, control unit, engine cowling, the two pilots, antennas, rudders for the pontoons, the propeller, struts for the pontoons, canopy, pontoon bottoms, main wings, control gauge panel, radio, and then your flaps. And then there's another pontoon and another rear flap. Decal set, pretty standard for Airfix. You know, you have your general, so again, decal, control panel, so nothing really too fancy or over the top, very minimal. See how well they go on. They look not bad as far as I know. So we have the Bismarck version and the Crete version. So that's the Airfix 172nd AR196. Not really much to it. Very simple. Detail could be a bit better. Maybe could use a new molding at some point. Don't know if this is a particularly popular subject, but who knows. So I'm gonna try and make it look as nice as possible. Rescribe panel lines, add detail here and there as best I can, and we'll see what kind of a kit we get. All right, thanks for tuning in.